Multi-step rational problems become manageable when each operation is tracked in order.
A natural environment functions as a system of intersecting complexity. To navigate such a space successfully, every movement must be precise. Real-world problems with rational numbers often combine several operations. Track the running total and follow the order of operations. As variables in the environment change, continuous adjustment maintains equilibrium. Surviving a complex environment, much like solving rational number problems, requires a strict internal system of order and tracking. We can track sequential state changes within a physical space. Suppose a position begins 14 meters above a reference point, drops 18.5 meters, then rises 6 meters. 14 minus 18.5 is negative 4.5. Add 6 to get positive 1.5 meters. The physical environment remains continuous, undisturbed by external mechanics. Physical position changes are tracked chronologically from left to right, maintaining a continuous running total as the state changes. For a running account, begin with $40. Subtract $18.75, add $12.50, then subtract $9.25. Successive totals are $21.25, $33.75, finally $24.50. When operations possess the same priority, chronological left-to-right tracking is the definitive method for maintaining an accurate running account. For the expression 3 minus 2 times the quantity 1.5 minus 4, evaluate the parentheses first. 1.5 minus 4 is negative 2.5. Multiply by 2 to get negative 5. 3 minus negative 5 equals 8. Hierarchical symbols force a deviation from standard linear processing, requiring the solver to prioritize nested information first. The underlying order dictates the final outcome. Recap: translate the context into operations, keep a running total, work inside parentheses first, and remember that subtracting a negative is addition.
Waddle estimates first, then check signs in operation order against the story.